Hi there, welcome back. In this video, it should not 24, it should be 23rd. Okay, publishing app in different way in case application not visible in start menu. So in this video, we have seen how we can publish the application, where we have published the application from start menu, right? While publishing the application, we just selected start menu and the application was reflected and we just selected. In case, let's see you install some application and now you don't see that application in start menu, and usually you would say in company in the production we are not publishing application through start menu, we are putting manual the current directory path. Okay, so let's get it started. Right click, add application, Microsoft Visual Studio, say next. So what we did in last time, we just click on from start menu and the application, oh, it is taken 001. Okay, so that application is not there from start menu. Okay, so what we have to do is now I'll log into that particular server 003. Citrix admin, log in with any admin user, that should be fine. I'll select this manually. Okay, we are publishing this application manually this time. What we needed, we need path to the executable file, so we need to provide the path. From there the application is getting launched. Command line, it is optional, you really don't have to put anything. Working directory of course needed, and the application name. Okay, so Visual Studio, we need to find where it is installed. Okay, this one. Open file location, this is shortcut. Okay, go to properties, which we can see in the start menu. Open file location. Okay, in C drive, in program files, in Microsoft Visual Studio 12.0 Common Simon IDE, this is the path from where it is getting launched, the application. So we need to locate the file. Okay, so this is DOS file and this is .exe file. Okay, so we need to copy the path, copy as a path, come here, put this, just remove this. Okay, we need to remove this config. Okay, complete, we don't have to use comma over here, it will not take. Let me give you example then. Okay, working directory till id, the file is located inside id file. Okay, application name Visual Studio 2013, I'll make it easy. Application name for administrator, same. Okay, click on OK. You see, you get this error message. So this comma is not needed, that will not work, we need to remove it. Say OK. Working directory cannot contain any following. Okay, again we need to remove this, invent comma. So now we are good. Say OK. Next, finish. Again, what we need to provide access to the user. So come properties, limit visibility, click on add and ms. Okay, apply. What is this? Show this application to entire delivery group. If you select this and you have multiple application inside that particular delivery group, like SQL Developer, Visual Studio, Notepad++, Photoshop, Corel Draw, many coding application you have inside that particular delivery group. Okay, you have installed many applications inside it. When you select this one, show this application to entire delivery group, even people have access to that delivery group, they will all say all application whatever inside that. So this is what we are making difference. We are giving particular ID or particular user only to access this application. Okay, so you need to understand the difference between two. Click on OK. Refresh apps. Now we can see Visual Studio, which we have just added manually. Click on it. Make sure we are logged out from here. Yeah, we logged out. It is launched. We are good. Now let me close it. I will log in with the admin user. Log on. Let's see. Not in the desktop, buddy. I want to open the application. It's opened. Okay, so let me I will create a new user, fresh user, and will assign this application to user. I'll copy this one. I'll copy this one. Copy. I'll put the name Visual. Okay, Visual. Password 123 123. Finish. Now what I have to do is I need to Visual, because I just copy directly, so that user is part of this security group, so that is directly added over here. Okay, now I will log in with this user. Log off, log in, Visual. Okay, and the password I have given 123. Save it, no problem. Apps, Visual Studio, open. So this is as simple as it is. So since we are launching this Visual Studio first time, but of course it does not take a long time. This time blue should be fine. Start. So that's it, guy. We are able to publish the application through start menu, through manually, and this is just two way where we can publish the application. Okay, there is not any another way. And let's see you next video. Thank you.